A warm wishes to one and all those who are watching this video. This is for class 5th, chapter 1, exercise. So here, as you all know, there are some parts A, B, C, D, E. First part is fill in the blanks. Dash was the foremost calculating device. So in the textbook itself, in the chapter itself, you can find the answer as abacus. Then Charles Babbage is considered to be the father of computers. So the vacant place will be filled with Charles Babbage. Third one, Univac 1 was the first commercial electronic computer. Okay, Augusta Ada was the first lady programmer. So not just a programmer, she was the first lady programmer. B. Write T for true and F for false. First one, mainframe computers are very potent and are big in size with a large memory and high speed. That is true. So T. Univac was the second computer to handle both numeric and text data. That is false. That was the first computer. Third one, laptop computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. Obviously, that is right. So true. T. Fourth one, the computers can be divided on the basis of size, speed, storage capacity, and cost. Okay, that is true, but I haven't noted that there. That is true. T. In your PDF, it will be there. Okay. Then C. Application based questions. Radhika is working in the National Weather Forecasting Agency. Which type of a computer which she can use to forecast the weather conditions? That is supercomputers. Okay. Then second one, which type of computers do Indian Railways use to interact with the customers for booking and cancellation of tickets? That is mainframe computers. D. Take the right answer. Microcomputers are also called personal computers. So A option. Supercomputers have dash processing speed. In that they have given two options. That is also great. One is the option is great. That is also not correct. That is huge. So the correct answer I have mentioned here, huge. Third one. The other name of a handheld computer is, which is that third one, that is personal digital assistant. Okay, personal digital assistant. B. Here it is written as C. It will be correct in your PDF. Okay, it will be get corrected, so don't worry, two corrections will be there. What are mini computers? E part, first question. Mini computers are bigger in size than microcomputers and have a higher processing speed and are costlier than microcomputers. So mini computers will come in between. Micro will come in terms of size. It will come above microcomputers. Okay, bigger in size than microcomputers and have a higher processing speed and are costlier than micro. So in every means mini computer will come above the micro. What do you understand by desktop computers? Desktop computers can easily be placed on the top of a desk due to their small size. Obviously, from the name itself, we can understand what it does mean by desktop computers. For the third one, name some old devices invented before actual computers. That is, abacus, Pascal, and Leibniz calculators are the old devices invented before actual computers. Then what is UNIVAC 1? Fourth question. Universal Automatic Computer 1 was the first computer to handle both numerical and text data. So these are the answers for exercise of chapter 1. Two corrections are there. It will be corrected in your PDF. Okay. Thank you for hearing this class. You have to write all the answers in your textbook in your vacant places. Thank you for hearing. Have a nice day.